Here we're going to demonstrate briefly customizing a cheese board. First thing you probably want to do is add an image, and if you click the Add Image button, you can either upload your own image, which must be black and white, color images don't work, or you could use one of our own designs. We have a whole load of art that's suitable for cheese board. There's a section with all sorts of weird and wonderful mice doing various things. And you can increase and decrease the size of the object grabbing this bottom corner, and you can move the item by grabbing and holding it and placing it on the screen. Just say we want that. You can add more images if you want. That's not an issue, but you've got to bear in mind about fitting them onto the product. Adding text, you can click the Add Text, and you can type something like "Be happy." Again, it's going to place it in the middle. You just grab it and move it where you want. You can change the font to something a bit more interesting, and you can resize it with the corner. What you can also do, if you hit transform, is you can curve it. So you can resize and curve around the board. You can change the radius of the curve, and you can change the spacing of the text. And again, you can move the text around just by clicking and holding it. And then you can add some more text by clicking Add Text again, and type something. And again, you can move the text, place it where you want. You can curve it again. If you want to turn it up, the curve the other way up, you can click the reverse button. You can adjust the spacing of the characters. You can adjust the radius of the curve. You can move and place the item, and you can shrink and grow the text. Of course, you can also change the font to whatever you want. Using a combination of these different options, you can do all sorts of things. You can have a little play around, but most people just want to either curve it, straighten it, change the font, maybe get the text size how they like it. You need to tick the agree to terms and conditions and then add to cart. It does take a little bit of a while to actually process the artwork and the text for the engraver to do their job before it adds to cart, so you do need to wait a few minutes until it's completed. And once that's uploaded, you'll be able to see a summary in your cart, which is a bit of a long-winded item, and you can continue shopping or browse the website, or you can check out at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.